Hey everyone, happy Tuesday. A little recap here and some live trading. Got a NQ Ninjarenko on here. Let's see if let's take this for a loss or a win. Um, so the overnight session, I did trade copper for small loss because I was doing some testing. And let's see, hold on. Just gonna try and get a winner here. So I'm pretty green overall. I got one account that's still in the red. I'm trying to recover this here on the Ninjarenko. Let's see. Come on, get up there. This is why I don't like trading late in the day and in summertime. I have like a that happens to me a lot sometimes. The break even kicks in, it just kind of drops, and unfortunately, it's something I'm trying to play with. But anyway, for today, I am overall green. You can see here. Here's the account I was trying to work on getting um, some losses recovered there. So yeah, not too bad. I would say adequate, trying to do the best I can here with this market. The volume is just atrocious. I can't wait for kids to go back to school because the traders will come back from their beach houses and start trading. Anyway, yesterday I thought I blew this account, this Tradeify account, but actually it's not blown. It's it just hit my soft loss, and I'm still overall like I was up like almost $3,000 and I lost it. So now I'm break down to the initial start of a 100K account, which is fine. I'm going to start slowly grinding that back up, but safely. Sim just playing with some trades there, doing some copy trading, and these my funded futures, all green except for this one. Like I said, I'm trying to recover. A couple of these are almost up 1,000. This one's up over 1,000. So I'm hoping to get that a couple more thousand there, so I can get this to a PA account to funded. Got a new account from Funding Ticks, up a few $100s. This one I was playing with the copper trade a little bit last night. It was down about $200. So I recovered that. A lot of this stuff was also discretionary trades because I didn't really have the bots on that much. I played with the 1 minute around the 7:30 to 8 o'clock time range, but it just wasn't really working out very well. So I turned it off. The Ninjarenko was doing pretty good today. I think I've had about 2 losses, but 5 winners. So that's been doing pretty good. That actually helped me out. But a lot of the other main, um, umps in the market were discretionary trades, just using order flow. So also, if you're interested, I am mostly an order flow trader, but I have these algo bots that are working on a couple samples. But if you're interested, this is the Target Trading Pro uh, bot. It's the trend candles. I'm on 3.3 version. I only run right now in the summertime. I'm only running nighttime. I'll run copper, maybe crude, and gold 15-minute. I don't always run those just because the consistency has been. I like the 15-minute gold, except for maybe the big loss it can take. So they're good. I like the copper. Copper's my favorite so far, but because copper prices kind of took a swing with some of the tariff stuff, it's been kind of back and forth. But usually copper's really good. It's been very consistent. Daytime range, I really like the NQ 1 minute and the Ninjarenko. So I'll turn this back on. What else? That's really it. I don't really trade anything else. I used to trade, oil during the day. I don't. I will also trade the MNQ, the micros. They've been working pretty good on the 1 minute, and you can see some consistency there on the same time frames for the regular NQ. I do enjoy the micros because they're a bit more, risk tolerant, I guess you could say, especially with some of these lower 50K accounts. They work great because if you can take $100 a day, hey, just small bites. What else? I also trade options today. SoFi earnings came out. That puts me up today. I'm up $3,000 in profit and a total profit of almost 14,000 for SoFi. If you don't know, I'm also an options trader. I mainly do SPX, some stocks, but one stock I was owning for a while was SoFi. I've been selling calls against it. I have about 1,000 shares. And I used to have 1,500 shares, sold 500. I shouldn't have, but it's whatever. We do these things. Anyway, so SoFi is a big winner for me this year. I'm really happy with that. I also do SPX trades, iron condors, calendars, credit spreads, you name it, diagonals, all that stuff. But lately, I've been just putting on iron condors because the market uncertainty has been crazy with premium, calendars as well, and maybe some bull puts. But really light in my options trading the past couple months. That's mainly because of the geopolitical stuff. Kind of waiting for something to happen. I do feel a pullback is coming. We are way overbought, especially today. We hit all-time highs again, but we did pull back. So I'm waiting for school to go back, and then September, FOMC. We have a lot of stuff this week. We have earnings. So this week could be a little bit of a volatility play. There you go. Got something for you to show. I wanted to show you the trade, so there's one. This might end up being a loser, but we'll see. I do adjust these sometimes, so if I feel like we got more room, I can move it down. But let's see where this goes. The last trade, you could see it hit my break even and kind of stopped at my break, so I'm going to try and adjust it myself manually.
Order fill.
All right, so
Order fill.
Oh, okay. So here's a perfect example for these my funded futures. I got my target, but interesting. The when you place a target, right, and you have these orders placed, if you already have an orders placed and your max amount allotment is say two contracts or 6 or whatever these firms allow you, my funded futures only allows you one contract unless you made 1,000, 2,000, and every 1,000 you make, you get an extra contract up to like 3, I think. By default, I was only at 2. So when I put the order in and the system placed another order, it said, "Oh, you've reached your max allotment for contracts," and it bugged my my NinjaTrader out. So for the core accounts and my funded futures, just be careful how many contracts you use, because if you put on 2 and you're only allowed 2, and you try and put another one on, it will basically cancel out your trades, and you could be stuck in a ghost order, which is just exactly what's happened. Luckily, it went my way. So now I'm only down, let's see, $34 on that account. So, but there's a trade for you. Yeah, these trend candles that work really well. I like them. You just gotta keep an eye on them and define your risk. Definitely recommend, just if you're new to them, slow it down. Do one contract or do micros, and do the sim. Get the sim where you want it. Change the settings how you want it, and then just tolerate. Just manage your risk. I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to put any questions down in the comments down below. I appreciate it. Please do me a favor, like and subscribe, usual stuff, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.